Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're watching this video, chances are you want to grow your Instagram following. In this video, I will share one best website with you to increase your Instagram followers and grow your account. As you saw on my Instagram followers, I will show a live increasing of my Insta followers. Type website name and hit enter. After that, convert website language to English. After clicking on entrance button, you need to add your other Insta account, not your real account.